For the past 6 years, manufacturers have been asking one big question: when will things finally stabilize? The truth is, the new normal is already here, but it does not look anything like 2018 or 2019. Let's start with where we are today compared to pre-COVID era. Back in 2019, manufacturing was built on the foundation of globalized supply chains, predictable cost structures, stable geopolitics, and a focus on efficiency and resiliency. Fast forward to today, and the picture looks very different. Supply chains are shorter and more redundant. Costs from labor to logistics to energy fluctuate more frequently. Geopolitical considerations are now a strategic input, not an afterthought. And resilience is the baseline expectation. We've shifted from optimizing for efficiency to optimizing for certainty. And that means globalized systems are giving way to a new norm: deglobalization, designed to build resilience and flexibility.
Yes, we observe that American EMEA and APEC are restructuring the supply chain networks through nearshoring, deal sourcing, and assembly near the demand centers. Why does this shift occur? Multiple shocks, supply chain breaks, geopolitical tensions has exposed the fragility of the long supply chains. Government incentives are pulling the production capacity back home or to aligned regions. Moreover, rapid advances in digital manufacturing are making distributed production feasible and efficient. This trend is not the end of the globalization, but is the evolution. Winning companies will no longer pursue the lowest cost alone. Instead, they will establish the regional hubs that balance efficiency and resilience to achieve the globalization. So, what does this mean for the manufacturing today?
To succeed in this new normal, manufacturers need to take action now. Here's what they should focus on: remapping your supply chain every 6 to 12 months. Treat your supply chain as dynamic and not static. Continuously validate for alternative supplies and geographies. Build for flexibility, not just capacity. Invest in modular production and multi-plant coordination. Use digital twin for quick scenario planning. Become vertical specialist. Manufacturers are focusing on specific verticals to deepen expertise and address unique industry challenges, while emerging sectors drive demand for niche specialists. Strengthen intelligence capabilities. Monitor policies, trade frictions, and incentives. Use data to detect early signals for demand, risk, and cost cycles. And finally, digitalization is key. From digital factories to robotics and automation, the future of manufacturing is smarter, faster, and more connected. So what do we expect to see? Regionalized supply chains and manufacturing clusters built around government funding. Hub countries like Mexico, Brazil, India, and Central and Eastern Europe taking the center stage. AI-enabled operations are becoming standard, and a growing divide between the US and China-aligned ecosystems. The bottom line is manufacturers who stop waiting for stability and instead design their strategies for uncertainty will gain significant advantage. Thanks for watching, and get in touch with Omdia for more information.